we're doing today a little different. Really need a haircut. This hair is too long. I cannot be walking around like this all the time. Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Paterson, and today we're doing things a tiny bit different. Just doing my top button up. So Skillshare wanted me to talk about my New Year resolutions. Now, I'm not a New Year resolution sort of guy, but more I think about it, I do make goals about what I want to do for this next year. So in this video I'm going to be talking about my design goals and design goals that you guys can imitate or you can create yourself. And we're doing it in this weird format because this year I do not want to be sat on my computer the whole time giving you videos. I want to go out and do stuff and bring you along with me and talk about the same thing. So we're going to go out, it's nearly dark, but who cares? We're going to go out and do something and we're going to talk about design goals. The first goal for this year is to get out and do more. I've been stuck in my office for such a long time over the past few years that I haven't realised that I can go out with you guys and do this. I know it's in a different way, probably doesn't look as good and the lighting isn't correct. So this year I'm going to make more of an effort of going out. I'm also going to upgrade my equipment so it is easier for me to go out and record videos for you guys. But that's my second goal, is to go out and do something, go and be inspired by different things outside rather than just sitting inside all the time. My second goal of the year is to take part in more daily challenges. I find I'm not as good at doing daily challenges as other people are. It's just not me. But what I'm going to do this year is with my hand lettering and logo design is take it to a new level by doing different things with it and taking part in new challenges to challenge my creativity. I want to not be comfortable this year. Being comfortable and creative is not a good combination. If you want to be creative, you've got to go out of your comfort zone. You know, I absolutely love creative challenges when I get into them. There's something called the 30 days of Bible lettering, which I'm going to do for the whole time this year. I swear down I will do it. I just need to make sure that I plan my time more effectively, which leads me on to the next point. The next resolution I am making this year is to learn more. Learning can be a daunting task no matter what you do or what you're learning. But this is the place to be to learn everything. You can learn anything online at the minute, and I'm going to make this year a year where I'm going to learn more than I've ever learned before. If you don't know, Skillshare is sponsoring this video. I am creating a Skillshare course all about logo type design, from drawing it to vectorizing it to sending it to your clients and how to do it all. I think it's amazing that I can show you guys what I can do through the medium of the internet. The internet is just such a huge place that I can work and give you guys content and help you learn different things, and I want to teach you logo type design. And this year I'm going to learn different forms of hand lettering. I'm going to take my hand lettering to the next level. My course is going to be out on Skillshare this month, and guys, it's going to be amazing. And if you guys don't know what Skillshare is an online platform where you can learn and teach different skills of any kind, from business to photography to not eating, but cooking food, design, logo type work, logo design work, graphic design work. You've got the lot on there. But not only can you learn for less than $10 a month all these things with a $10 subscription, which is nothing, you can actually teach on there as well. And if you have a skill that you think other people would like to know, or if you have a passion, then guys, get yourself onto Skillshare by clicking that link down below. Without Skillshare, I wouldn't be able to do a lot of the hand lettering stuff that I do now. So this year I'm going to make more of a point of doing things on Skillshare, not just teaching, but actually learning from the masters on there. I will link down below in the description my favorite classes on Skillshare that I've ever taken that have sent my work to the next level. I'm going to learn something new every day this year, and I'm starting with Skillshare because it's part of my job. I absolutely love learning new types of logo design. I love learning new types of hand lettering, and more so, I love creative work. By this time next year, I want to stand here and say that my design goals actually were achieved, that these goals of being more organized and learning better photography and learning better logo design and graphic design and cooking and everything else, I want to say that I'm going to learn all these things. And you know, Skillshare is the place to be for these things. If you don't know, I do not like traveling. I'm not the biggest fan of traveling. It causes me a lot of stress. But I decided in about September or October this year that I am going to go to America, because America is the place to be for me right now. And the reason why I want to go to America is because it's out of my comfort zone. There are things out there that I have never seen before or experienced, and I'm learning whilst I'm over there. If you don't know, I went to Iceland a few months ago with Stefan Kuhn, Simon Cade and Ian Barnard. We set ourselves a challenge to draw in sand in a huge scale lettering project. We ended up writing learn by doing, and I still hold that today. I'm going to learn the art of being a better YouTuber and being a better designer and being a better person overall in my skills and abilities by doing it. I'm not going to wait until I've learned it. I'm going to learn by doing, and I'm going to show you the process along the way. If that is you this year and you're saying, yeah, I want to learn something new, click the links down below, because I'm going to be posting some of my new content this year, which is going to be iPad lettering. I'm going to be taking an intense focus in what I'm doing for lettering on my iPad. I'm also going to be traveling more, and if you haven't already, go and sign up for the workshops that I'm doing in America. There's one in San Francisco and one in Denver, Colorado. The workshops are going to be amazing. I'm going to be showing you guys how I design a logo type, and I'm going to be able to spend an actual time with you in these workshops. So there's only 20 seats available. They're both nearly filled up, so get yourselves to the website down below. And for any of you that are slightly weirded out by this video, I know it's a bit weird. I'm outside with my camera and I'm doing things a bit different, but let me tell you what, the content is going to be just the same, if not even better this year. So make sure you click that subscribe button down below, the big red fat yellow button down there. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I am freezing because it is like literally 0 degrees right now, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.